Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to find bold glamour filter on your Instagram. So when you open your Instagram app, as you can see right over here, and want to find the bold glamour filter, as you can see on your TikTok app. So for example, on your TikTok, when you search for bold glamour filter, you will see this trending filter on TikTok. But don't worry, Instagram has that filter. So go back to your Instagram account. Now on your Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And here on the reel, you can see the effect option at the right part of your screen. So tap on that effect, and then you need to go to the search and find the bold glamour filter on your Instagram. So as you can see right over here, you have that 16 choices right over here, and we need to choose one, which is this bold glamour, the second one. And that's it. You can now use this filter for your selfie video. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.